Hello and welcome to Financeable. Today we are going to learn how to log in into KFintech mutual fund account. So now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser of the choice. In the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. You just need to type KFintech login and press enter in the keyboard. And when you have pressed enter in the keyboard, the search results will be shown to you, and the first search result is login portal of KFintech. So you just have to click on the first search result and it will send you to the login portal. So you just need to enter your user ID, password, or you can also sign in with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube. So if you don't have an account till now, then you can just click on the sign up button that is on the bottom side, and you'll need to follow all the instructions and the procedures provided to you by KFintech, and you will be able to sign up successfully. And when you have signed up, you will be redirected to the sign in portal. So here are options for you to sign in with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube. And another thing is you can just sign in with your user ID. First you need to enter your user ID. After that you need to enter your password. And if you have forgotten your user name, then there is an option for you to retry or change the username. You can just click on the forget username that is on the left side of sign in button. And if you have forgotten your password, then you can just click on the forgot password and you will be able to retry or change the password that is on the right side of the sign in button. And when you have entered both your username and password, you just have to click on the sign in button and you will be able to log in into KFintech. So this is how you can easily log in into KFintech mutual fund account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.